Mapcon Pro is easy to use, powerful software, priced right. Our user-friendly setup wizard allows you to hit the ground running by having your system fully functional in just 10 minutes. While preventive maintenance and work order tracking are at the heart of Mapcon, we also offer a wealth of unparalleled advanced features that can be scaled to fit your company's unique needs. Some of Mapcon Pro's most sought-after exclusive features include work order planning, equipment meter and gauge readings, failure cause and action codes, safety processes and procedures, and an easy-to-use HTML work request page. Plus, you can add any of our available advanced modules to your system at any time. Not only that, but there's no annual commitment, and our pricing structure fits your needs better than any of our competitors. We do not charge per user, but rather per person logged in at the same time. This concurrent user licensing is an excellent way to save your company money. Visit Mapcon.com to begin a free trial or schedule a demonstration.